Hey guys. I'm not feeling so hot today, so my human decided to keep me home from Lewis and Mark. I'm super bummed. But my person says I have kennel cough, which I guess is like my human getting the common cold, but for dogs. It's not something to get stressed about, but here are a few symptoms to look out for. If your pup is coughing like a tiny, furry smoker, don't worry. Sometimes people call it a backwards cough. Also look out for sneezing. If you notice other symptoms like nasal discharge, lethargy, or if your pup gets worse, you may want to consult with your vet. A lot of times, all you really need to do is keep them cozy and happy. Again though, if you're concerned, go see your vet. Definitely give your dog a break from playdates or going to Lewis and Mark if they're feeling under the weather. A little me time can help with getting better. By staying informed and doing little things, we can protect all our friends from kennel cough and keep our dog communities healthy and happy. Alright, I'm gonna go take a nap. But not a cat nap, because those are lame.